Ready to take your grow game to the next level? Whether you're just starting out or you're looking to upgrade, choosing the right equipment is crucial. In this video, I'll break down the must-haves for a successful grow setup and try and help you avoid costly mistakes. But first, a shout out to the sponsor of the channel, Mars Hydro. MarsHydro.com for all your growing needs. Tent, lights, ventilation, they have you covered. Don't forget to use my promo code TAPROOTSGROWING at checkout and save yourself a little bit of money off your order. Alright, let's get into the video. First, let's start with the essentials. For any grower, the three main factors that you have to focus on are lighting, ventilation, and your grow medium. So we'll start with lighting. Lights determine your yield quality and quantity. For beginners, I recommend full spectrum LEDs. For example, the Mars Hydro TS1000. It's compact, energy efficient, and great for small spaces. Next is ventilation. Proper airflow prevents mold and promotes healthy growth. Inline fans like the Mars Hydro Inline Fan are easy to install and keep your plants happy. And then we have your grow medium. Whether you prefer soil, coco, or hydroponics, pick a medium that matches your experience level. Soil is a little more forgiving, while hydroponic systems like the Mars Hydro DWC offer faster growth if you're ready for the challenge. Once you've nailed the basics, it's time to fine-tune your setup. You have automation tools such as timers and smart controls to save you time and ensure consistency. Next, we have nutrients. My go-to? I have two. I like Gaia Green for soil, and I like Master Blend for hydroponics. They're both cost-effective and deliver fantastic results. And then we have pH and EC meters. These are essential for hydroponic growers to maintain the perfect nutrient balance. Trust me, they're worth every penny. Here's a quick look at my setup. I've been running Mars Hydro for a few years now, and they've given me great results. Currently, I'm running the Mars Hydro FCE 3000, and it's a beast for efficiency and coverage. My DWC system is another game changer. It's fast and it delivers explosive growth if done right. Finally, my genetics come from Seedsman. If you're looking to save a little bit of money off your next order, use my promo code TRG10 and save yourself a little bit of money off your order. When you're picking your gear, keep these tips in mind. Know your space. Measure before you buy to ensure everything fits. There's nothing worse than being all excited to set up your tent and you go to start setting it up and it doesn't fit in your space. Next, you want to budget smart. Invest in high quality lights and fans. They pay off in the long run. And finally, leave room for expansion. Buy equipment that you can scale up as your garden grows and gets bigger. Alright, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video helps you feel a little more confident in choosing your gear for your gardens. Hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and leave a comment about what grow equipment you swear by. Happy growing, and until next time, peace.